Hey everyone, welcome to your GimKit tutorial. Here's how to play, here's how to use some strategy, here is how to maybe irritate your friends a little bit. What is GimKit? GimKit is like Kahoots, but even better. Made by high school students because they wanted to create the coolest game possible for teachers, for students, or whatever. So here's how you play. You're going to start off by going to Safari, and you are going to type in GIMKIT.com, gimkit.com / which is the slash that leans to the right, and then the word play. You can see it looks like that on the screen. And then you're going to hit go. This is going to bring you to the game code screen. You're going to click that game code, and you're going to type in the game code that I send you on Class Dojo. Do not type in the code that I am typing in right now. This code will be dead and gone by the time it's time for you to play. You will have a brand new code, and I will give that to you very last minute on Math Class Dojo. If you want to join using Zoom on a different device so that you can hear what's going on and you can talk to other people and ask questions and be a part of the party in that way, you are more than welcome to. If you can't get on Zoom or you just don't want to do Zoom, that is completely fine. You can just go to gimkit.com / play. You can enter the join code and you can just play against everyone. You can still see the leaderboard and see if you're winning and try to beat people and sabotage people and all that. You just won't hear them yell at you. All right, so we're going to go ahead and click join. The teacher, I, have not started the game yet, and so it's going to walk us through this. You are going to just type your first name only, please. Nothing else, nothing different, or I will kick you out. You're going to go ahead and hit join. While you are waiting, you can click right here, and they decided they would be cool to just let you draw. Okay, so there we go. This is me. Waiting to play. Now, once everyone is joined, or a lot of people anyway, then the teacher, I, will hit start game. Okay. Now, I want you to right away notice that as soon as I hit start, your game begins. Notice you can see the question on the top. I only have 5 minutes to do this tutorial because after that, this game is over. I set a 5-minute time limit. We're already down to 4 minutes and 45 seconds. Notice right at the top right, I give you $10 to start. Guess what? $10 is what you need to make your first purchase. Now, before you even answer one question, you're going to click these three lines in the top left. This takes you to your shop. You're going to click shop, and you are going to go to money per question. These are your upgrades you can do. So I already have level 1, which gives me $1 for every question. I instantly want to go to level 2, and for $10, which I have, I can now get $5 per question. See why you want to do this first? Ta-da! Continue to my questions. Now, what is Catdog's favorite fast food restaurant? Taco Bell. I just got $5 instead of $1. So the kid who didn't watch this video, you just made a whole heck of a lot more money than they did. All right, so $5. You can either choose to shop or continue. I'm going to continue and make a little bit more money really, really fast. So you can just sort of see how this works. Who's the big blue monster in Monsters, Inc.? That is Sully. Continue. I'm going to make a little bit more money. Mulan's horse is actually Khan. Velma frequently loses in Scooby-Doo. She loses her glasses. All right, I have $26. I'm going to get a little bit more. What do penguins and happy feet like to dance? Animal in Narnia. That is a lion, Aslan. And Sirius Black escapes on a hippogriff or Pegasus. I'm not sure. Hippogriff. Ooh, I got lucky. Now, I'm earning $5 per question. However, if I got that wrong, I would lose that amount. I have $47. Let's do one more time. Nemo's nickname when he's in the shark tank. Shark bait. Hoo-ha-ha. There we go. All right, now I have $54. I'm going to go to the shop. Let's look at other things we can buy. Can I go to level 3? That would give me $50 per question. I don't have enough money. I could go back to questions and do more. I'm going to hit the back button here, and let's take a look at a streak bonus. I should have probably paid for this pretty soon if I could have. Every 2 questions you get in a row, you get a bonus. So for only $15, I could have, for every 2 questions I got right, got an extra $20. Should have probably bought that. I'm going to buy that right now. Okay. All right. Now it brings me back to questions. My precious. All right. I'm going to go back to the shop though, so we can look at everything else. Here's my multipliers. My multipliers will make it so that I get 1.5 times the amount for every question. So that's how that works. And you can see that can be pretty sweet if you start earning that. And my last one is my insurance. If you know that you aren't super strong in these questions, you may be wanting to spend some money on insurance. Insurance makes it so that when you get a question wrong, you don't lose as much money. Okay, they cover 10% of that. So that's something interesting for you. All right, I have 1 minute and 50 seconds left to explain the last part of things. So this is how you can benefit. You constantly want to be going back here and upgrading to next levels to get the most money you possibly can. Take a peek up in the top left, the little joystick-looking button keypad. This is your leaderboard. You can always be peeking at this to see who is in the lead, what place you're in, and so on. For this reason, because I think in the shop I want to sabotage people. Down here in power-ups, my two favorite are blur. I can blur another player's screen for 15 seconds. You can see the questions sorta, but you definitely can't see the answer very well. Super annoying, and guess what? It tells them who blurred them, and you get to pick who you want to blur, so that's super fun. All right, you can deflect attacks. You can give someone a gift if you want to be extra nice. Another one of my favorites is the icer. This freezes other players so they will not be able to answer questions for 15 seconds, and it does tell them again that this person iced you. So it's fun to hear their response when it literally ices up their screen. All right, there's some other things you can look at. A mega bonus, 5 times the amount for a single question, things like that. But that's the basics of the game. You constantly want to be increasing your upgrades so you get more money per question so that you get the most money, ultimately winning. Because guess what? The first place person has the most money. All right, what type of dragon? Night Fury. We have 15 seconds left. I am right on time. You'll get to see what happens when the game ends. I'm going to continue. Gandalf is a wizard. Continue. And there is 8 seconds left. Movie Madagascar. What animal is Marty? Ooh, let me get one wrong. I'll call him a shark. Ooh, you can see I lost $5. And that is the game. I got first place. This is the point where you can tap this as quickly as you can to see how many claps you can get. There is absolutely no point in it, but for some reason, it's quite entertaining. All right, this shows me my final balance, how many questions I answered correctly and how many incorrectly, and what place I got. But I just, for some reason, cannot stop it. I don't know why. It's really addicting. So I'm going to just finish clapping to at least get to 100. Does that bother anyone that I stopped at 101? Anyway, that is how you play GimKit. Stay tuned for the information on how to join and what the code will be, and I will see you in the gaming world.